sur votre petit écran les visages qui vont meubler vos jours et vos nuits dans les prochaines semaines.
Numéro 4, Pierre-François Aurélien Etamé Bombé. Numéro 8, Félix Okiné Thierry. Numéro 10, Soa Daogari Jacques. Numéro 11, Serge Amboulou, capitaine. Numéro 13, Thierry Chouenité. Numéro 14, Salomon Charles Bienvenu Banda. Numéro 18, Martin Loïc Ako Asomo. Numéro 19, Brian Soda. Numéro 28, Alfred Meyon Aeton. Numéro 32, Mamoudou Hassana Abo. Remplaçant Cameroun, Junior Dandé. Mouri Yonkam. Carl Junior Ndedi. Fabrice Baudouana. Raymond Bouguin. Anthony Kevin Fédé. Jane Joseph Yannick, Teki Denis, Epané, Gabriel Fils Benda, Emmanuel Joël Mofala, Bertrand Mani, entraîneur Martin Toumou.
For the Zimbabwe squad.
Et voilà donc pour la sélection camerounaise qui va évoluer ce soir. Benen Boumagana et Évariste Eyenga qui prennent le relais à l'instant. Bon après-midi, Benen.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We are quite elated and happy to be taking over from the legends, Madeleine Sopikoto and Joe Chebonken Kalabo. So thank you very much, Madeleine.
Évariste Eyenga que vous entendrez juste dans quelques secondes. Le temps pour moi de vous dire, mesdames, messieurs, qu'ils seront vos compagnons, vos yeux et vos oreilles pendant la durée de cette compétition, du moins pour ce qui est de la poule de Yaoundé. Allez, bon match.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now you are welcome to the Amadou Ahidjo Stadium with the two teams already. You've had a list of the two teams and the teams coming out of the tunnel right now. Total African Nations Championship 2020 in Cameroon. This first match is no doubt going to pit Cameroon, the host country, against Zimbabwe. A match that we all have been waiting for, the day that we've all been waiting for. Madeleine Sopikoto and Joe Chebonken Kalabo carried you through the opening phrase, the ceremony, which was bedecked in color and meaning. And here we are. Business is about to begin down on the turf, Évariste Eyenga. And we are very, very convinced that in the next 90 minutes, it is going to be soccer served with the thousands of fans that have come from all around the continent, Cameroon, and the hearts even of this very beautiful city. Soa Jacques Douagari wears the captain band. It has been a long debate who was going to wear a captain band. Some people talked about Serge Andulo. Others talked about Etame Ngome. But here we are with Jacques Douagari. It is going to be the national anthem, first of all, of the Warriors.
Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez pour l'hymne national du Zimbabwe.
À présent, l'hymne national du Cameroun, le chant de ralliement au Cameroun, berceau de nos ancêtres.
Que tous tes enfants
song, the national anthem of Cameroon, that inspires a lot of confidence, that inspires a lot of determination in the lives, in the heart of the Intermediate Lions here this afternoon.
Patriote en même temps, alors que le troisième assistant est un Tchadien, Issa Yaya. Voici la sélection du Zimbabwe qui a en face Brian Soga, l'attaquant donc des Lions indomptables des A-Prime, cet après-midi appelé à affronter les Warriors du Zimbabwe.
And the green that many Cameroonians have requested for today, beautifully designed with the flag of the country, green, red, yellow. The players stand out today on one knee. You have to remember, even before this game starts, that Cameroon have been present in 3 African nations a championship tournament with their coach Martin Tungumpile coming back for the second time. He took the team at one point to the quarterfinals. Now he's coming back, like they say in Cameroon, finisse que tu as commencé. We'll be expecting that he goes on right to the semis.
Hassou, Keredo, Jacques Zoua, Daougari, ce sont des joueurs d'expérience. Aligné par Martin Tungumpile, Jacques Zoua, vous pouvez le voir, revenu au Cameroun. En attendant son prochain.
The ball is gone. First major tournament in Africa since the outbreak of the COVID pandemic. So the coming together of the FIFA president and the CAF president is but an excited moment, even for footballers and the supporters out here.
La défense camerounaise pour ces premières minutes du match Cameroun-Zimbabwe, match liminaire, match d'ouverture du 6e championnat d'Afrique des Nations. À l'instant, Etame Ngombe, la diagonale, tout de suite pour trouver Martin Ako Assoma qui a sollicité Alfred Meillon séché. C'est le premier coup franc de cette partie en faveur du Cameroun.
It was an extra charge they brought up on Ako Assoma by Mudua Peter of Zimbabwe. He came in and pulled him right down, and the referee called for a very early free kick for Cameroon, a great opportunity which cannot be minimized. Ariel Sibanda sets his players to cover the areas where his hands can get to, but then he's going to be called on to bring in the skills that he's had with the Highlanders in Zimbabwe. 3 players standing behind for Cameroon. You can see Jacques Zoua, Daougari, Serge Andulo. And let's see what that is going to produce and who takes that one.
Ça se joue à 2. Et la frappe qui a été contrée par le mur zimbabwéen en signe de défense. Cette balle qui va sortir par la ligne de touche.
That was surely the good thing about the block put up by the Zimbabwean team, so that you can counteract every onslaught coming in from the auxiliary Lions.
Asana pour la remise en jeu. C'est le Cameroun, couloir gauche par son capitaine.
In any way, that surely is going to be a free kick for Cameroon. Soga got it for the country. Maybe this can create a change at the last minutes of play. This free kick about to be taken. If they score, it is going to hit the morale of the Warriors, because they will be going now into the into the 15 minutes break with a goal.
Félix Oukine. Ce n'est pas assez précis ce coup franc de Félix Oukine. Le Zambie, le Zimbabwe. Au stade Histoire Amadou Ahidjo de Yaoundé. Sur le score de 0 but partout entre les deux formations. Ariel Soga, Brian Soga, qui n'en revient pas d'avoir eu tant d'occasions sans jamais les faire entrer. Jacques Zoua, Daougari et ses coéquipiers n'ont pas trouvé le chemin des buts. C'est pareil côté zimbabwéen. 0 but partout donc au terme de la première période ici au stade Omnisport Amadou Ahidjo de Yaoundé. L'antre qui a été reconfiguré, réhabilité par les bons soins de l'État du Cameroun en vue tout d'abord du CHAN 2020 et puis l'année prochaine, le CHAN 2021 qui se jouera en 2022. C'est la mi-temps.
The teams have to walk out now of the pitch, and then Jacques Daugari missed several opportunities. Not that the opportunities were not there. The opportunities were there. They had opportunities galore. You understand from there that you see how the statistics go. Cameroon had much more of ball possession. They have 15 shots into the pole, just one shot from Zimbabwe that was stopped. You can also understand that the fouls came in, many more fouls came in from Zimbabwe than for Cameroon. And then with the corner kicks tells you how much Cameroon has been very, very pushful at the attack line. The game has been Cameroon's. Such movements, such movements and outings made us see that Cameroon had clear intentions from the very, very beginning. The attack was potent, the game was there. A few misses, a few shots not taken correctly. Players like May Young that came up, players that were absent in the last game, trying to cause a change, and they got it so far.
Tongo Pile qui a bien revu toutes ces occasions du Cameroun. La frappe ici de Serge Andoulo avec un appui, un renfort d'Alfred Meillon qui n'a pas pu rentrer. La première occasion zimbabwéenne, cette montée de Wellington, Tadera, sans souci aucun pour Hachou.
Retour donc ici au studio 2 du centre de production de la CRTV Yambala 2 après cette première partie entre le Cameroun et le Zimbabwe, match d'ouverture de cette sixième. On va dire une partie légèrement équilibrée. C'est vrai que le Cameroun domine au niveau de la possession de balle avec 63% contre 37% pour le Zimbabwe.
Oui, le Cameroun a le ballon. Les Zimbabwéens, manifestement, ont choisi de bien se regrouper dans leur moitié de terrain pour défendre. Et malheureusement, les Camerounais, ils ont le ballon, mais en attaquant lentement, ils trouvent toujours, n'est-ce pas, tout ce bloc zimbabwéen en place dans la moitié de terrain. Et comme nous ne sommes pas toujours servis par notre précision, parce qu'il y a beaucoup un peu de déchets dans les transmissions, dans les phases offensives, ça fait que nos attaques n'arrivent pas toujours au bout. Et chaque fois que nous sommes arrivés, très souvent, c'est sur de longs centres dont nous abusons. Alors qu'il faudrait peut-être, lorsqu'une défense est nombreuse comme celle-là, il faudrait continuer à travailler et continuer à chercher les espaces pour trouver de bons décalages et de bonnes solutions, n'est-ce pas, pour frapper. Or là, les joueurs, parfois, ils frappent un peu trop vite, alors qu'on peut encore jouer. On s'est créé 2 à 3 occasions qui pouvaient être exploitées, mais je crois qu'on a un peu besoin de beaucoup plus de patience dans la zone de finition.
The CHAN is already 45 minutes old. The first game, Cameroon, that intermittent alliance versus the Warriors of Zimbabwe, Jofungwa. It's true Cameroon has been dominating in terms of ball possession, 63 to 37, but there's been something not working. The last pass has not been very well oiled, and so
I think you said it all, Gideon. You said it all because the essential is not having possession. We realize that they will build up well, and realizing that Zimbabwe has sort of packed a train in front of their goal. Because when you look at the system Zimbabwe is playing, they have 4 flat defenders, in front of them 4 other defenders. So when attacking, you have to cross the first line, you have to cross the second line. Now you have to adopt a tactic. Either you have a player who is playing in the hole, like Wayne Rooney does for England, like a loose electron who moves across, who can cross the first line and then put in a through pass, or you create wingers, real wingers from the halfbacks who get the ball from the wings and cross back. If you don't do that, you always come up and hit on the brick wall, and that's what has been happening during the first half. I hope the coach will talk to them. I hope they are going to be more imaginative during the second half.
On revient à vous, le temps pour nous de prendre une page de pub.